Welcome to the best picks. The best ingrown toenail fix is probably one of the most sought-after remedies for those agonizing foot pains, especially when you're on your feet all day or love wearing stylish but sometimes unforgiving footwear. This video will dive into the most effective solutions for ingrown toenails, helping you find relief and prevent future occurrences. We'll explore various methods, from simple home remedies to professional treatments, so you can choose the best option for your specific needs and level of discomfort. Number 5. ZenToes Gel Toe Caps. Say goodbye to painful toes. These gel caps cushion and protect against ingrown nails, corns, and blisters, letting you get back to your day. The pack includes 2 large caps for your big toes and 4 smaller ones for the rest. They're designed to fit comfortably in any shoe. Unlike other toe protectors, these stay securely in place. The slim design ensures all-day comfort. Made from high-quality, latex-free gel, they're comfortable, durable, and easy to clean. Just wash and reuse. The gel material not only protects your toes, but also moisturizes and softens the skin to help promote healing. ZenToes is a woman-owned business based in Wisconsin, dedicated to providing relief for common foot problems. We're proud to help millions of people find comfort. With ZenToes Gel Toe Caps, you can enjoy your favorite activities without the pain. It's time to put your best foot forward. What we like. If you need a comfortable, reusable solution for ingrown toenails, corns, or blisters, this variety pack of gel toe caps is perfect. It offers a secure fit and protects your toes from further irritation. These are great for everyday wear and can be washed for reuse, making them a cost-effective choice. What people say. The gel provides just the right amount of protection without being bulky, and the best part is that you can reuse them multiple times. They are easy to apply and stay on all day. They are at the perfect thickness for my needs. It does not slip off. I'm able to wash them. Easier to use, comfortable, and they worked great. Number 4. Dr. SCHOLL'S Ingrown Toenail Reliever. Dealing with an ingrown toenail? It's painful and frustrating. But there's a solution. This product offers targeted relief from ingrown toenail pain. It's the only over-the-counter treatment proven to work. The special medicated gel softens the nail, making it easier to trim and manage. This helps prevent further ingrown nail issues. The soft foam ring and bandage protect and cushion the affected area, providing comfort and preventing irritation. It makes trimming your ingrown toenail easier and less painful. You'll find relief quickly and easily. It's recommended by doctors and loved by feet everywhere. Get the relief you deserve. What we like. This product is the only over-the-counter treatment proven to relieve ingrown toenail pain. The medicated gel softens the nail for easier trimming, and the included foam ring and bandage protect the affected area. If you're looking for proven pain relief and a doctor-recommended solution, this is it. What people say. It is most effective when you're able to constantly apply a fresh one every morning and evening for at least 4 days, but I'd recommend doing it for 6, which should use up the full package. It will make your nail extremely soft and help a lot with pain reduction. As soon as you put it on, it starts to alleviate the pain. The bandages they include work really well to cushion the area, and they stay put even for me who works on my feet all day in a very warm environment. It takes a few days, around a week, for the toenail to soften, but once it does, it's easy to cut away the ingrown nail. With just a bit of pressure and the help of some tweezers, the nail piece came right out. It was an instant relief, and I'm so glad I gave it a chance. The pain was nearly gone and I was able to work without being bothered by the pain. Number 3. URIEL Ingrown Toenail Treatment. Are you struggling with painful ingrown toenails? It soothes sensitive skin and prepares the nail for easy removal, all from the comfort of your home. This advanced formula gently soothes the affected area, reducing discomfort and making nail care easier. It supports healthy nail regrowth. Made with natural ingredients, it's a safe and easy way to soften nails and skin. It provides gentle, effective relief from ingrown toenails. It gently softens thick nails and callus tissue, preparing them for removal without causing further damage. It's perfect for at-home treatment. With regular use, you'll see noticeable improvements in just a few days. It helps maintain soft, healthy nails for easier future care. It promotes natural nail regrowth while keeping your nails healthy and strong. It's ideal for managing hangnails and preventing future ingrown nails. What we like. For a gentle, natural approach to ingrown toenail care, consider this treatment. It soothes sensitive skin, supports healthy nail regrowth, and prepares the area for safe nail removal. If you prefer natural ingredients and a non-invasive method, this is a great option. What people say. It really works well by thinning out the edge, softening the skin around the nail to basically make it so that there is zero pain and discomfort. The applicator is made the way it is for it to specifically go between the toenail and the skin to apply. It has to be able to get to the embedded, ingrown, toenail under the skin for it to properly work. It does work when used correctly. Still using, but it appears to be helping. The soreness dropped enough for me to trim some. Now working on other toenails. Worked better than ingrown version. Number 2. Ingrown Toenail Treatment Kit. Are you suffering from painful ingrown toenails? This treatment kit can help. It softens the nail and surrounding skin for easier trimming and healing. It uses gentle drops to soften embedded toenails and callus tissue. This makes it much easier to manage the ingrown nail at home. The kit includes protective silicone toe caps. These help to cushion the affected area and promote faster healing by preventing further irritation. Simply apply the drops twice a day until you can easily lift and trim the nail. It's a simple and effective solution for ingrown toenails. This treatment is made with natural ingredients, making it safe and gentle for people of all ages. It's a natural way to find relief from ingrown toenail pain. Ingrown toenails are a common problem. This kit provides a thoughtful and effective solution, making it a perfect gift for anyone struggling with this painful condition. What we like. This kit combines a softening treatment with protective silicone gel toe caps for faster healing. The drops soften the nail, making it easier to trim at home. If you want a simple, at-home solution that's safe for all ages, this is a good choice. What people say. They have been so helpful in managing the pain topically and have allowed me to be a little less anxious about the toenail. After 5 days of applying this to the affected toe, you will feel relief. It really does soften the hard calloused skin around my nail, which in turn provides relief. The dropper applicator makes it easy to apply. I don't notice any harsh chemical smell when applying, and it dries relatively quickly. Number 1. 10 PCS Ingrown Toenail Tool Kit. Suffering from ingrown toenails? This kit provides a simple, at-home solution. Let's see how it works. It's designed for convenient home use. The included instructions make the process straightforward and easy to follow. This kit is made from surgical-grade stainless steel. It's durable, easy to clean, and built to last. The double-sized nail lifter helps clean under the nail, preventing future ingrown toenails. It keeps your nails neat and healthy. It uses lever mechanics to gently change the angle of nail growth. This helps flatten and widen the nail, preventing it from growing into the skin. The kit includes a clipper with a special curved blade for easy cutting, and a file for smoothing. It's everything you need for complete nail care. For severe ingrown toenails, professional treatment is recommended. This kit is for home use on mild cases. What we like. This professional-grade kit provides all the tools you need for ingrown toenail correction. The stainless steel tools are durable and easy to sanitize. If you want to tackle the problem yourself with a complete set of tools, this kit is for you. What people say. The toenail clipper is larger than the ones my wife got at the pharmacy, and has easy-to-grip padded handles. It's extremely sharp, so be careful, but the cutting head comes with its own little slip-on hard case. This set had everything needed to do the job. The tools are all easy to use, and the process was relatively painless. My toenails have given me far less pain since then, and I have used the nippers and file from the kit a number of times as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.